It ain't worth a dime. And your wounds, they'll all heal in time. You miss me, guess you know, baby. I was coming down the mountain. I met a Charlie and she had been nice. We had the same who spurred us on, sitting judgment of all wrong. They decide. I believe you sexy thing, you. I believe in miracles since you come along. You sexy thing, you sexy thing. Oh, sexy, you sexy thing. Yesterday, where you from? You sexy thing, you. I believe in miracles. You sexy thing. Oh, touch me. So entertaining.
Welcome to lunchtime. It's lunchtime here at the Kennebec River. We are at the Northern Outdoors lunch site. We'd like to introduce you to some of the people who have chosen to come to the #1 rafting company in the state of Maine, Northern Outdoors. Let's go meet our rafters. Yeah. These people do not look like they came from Maine. Would you introduce yourselves and tell us where your home country is?
I'm from Peru.
What's your name?
Angel.
Try to pronounce that again.
Angel.
And how would you spell that?
Angel.
We'll call him Angel.
Okay.
What's your name?
I'm his son, Dan.
And where are you from?
I was born in Venezuela and I lived there for 12 years.
And what's been the best part of the day here today for you?
The magic and the swimming.
Did you go swimming intentionally or did you fall in?
No, I went in intentionally.
And who would you say is the best guide on the river today?
Uncle Milty.
They don't have any Milties in Venezuela, so we have to... Well, we got one gentleman. Who do you think was the best guide on the river today?
For sure you.
Introduce yourself.
Gianluca Alfani from
Originally from where?
Arezzo, Italia.
You try telling them to hold on. Go.
Hookah, hookah, chaka, hookah, 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 chaka, hookah, 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 chaka, hookah, hookah.
I can't stop this feeling deep inside of me. Girl, you just don't realize what you do to me. Alone, keep it up, girl. Yeah, you turn me on. All the good love when we're